Cooking at home is one of the best ways to improve your diet, whether you want to lose the weight, keep it off, or just simply want to get healthier. I'm going to show you how to cook a healthy, low-calorie, high-protein dinner in less than 20 minutes. And let's not forget, it's just absolutely delicious. Oh, it's also way cheaper than the one you would order in a restaurant. So let's get started. Rice will take the longest time to cook, so let's do it first. Unless you have leftovers or don't really care to eat rice. Set the oven to broil for 550 degrees Fahrenheit. And next, prepare the side dishes. I'm gonna slice a cucumber, adjust the thickness, add a bit of salt and pepper, and set it aside for the cucumbers to release water. This is a simple and quick side dish that adds tons of flavor. And let's make another side dish. I'm going to start with a dressing. I have here 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. To that, I'm adding a tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. This is the sugar-free one. And a teaspoon of sriracha. I am creating this as I'm going. Feel free to adjust the amount of ingredients or skip it. Set it aside. And in the meantime, prepare the salmon. Make a miso sauce to spread on the fish before we bake. 1 ounce of miso paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, about a teaspoon of sriracha. You can of course adjust that as well. And a half a tablespoon of sweet sauce, the sweet chili sauce. Mix the ingredients until a smooth paste. And let's prepare the salmon. I have a large salmon fillet here. I'm gonna sprinkle it with white pepper. You can use regular pepper if you don't have white pepper. And I will sprinkle a bit of salt as well, just because I like it well seasoned. But there is salt in miso paste and in soy sauce as well, so you don't really have to. Just make your own decision whether you want the extra saltiness or not. Spread the miso sauce all over the salmon. I will fold the small end so it doesn't dry out when broiling. Put the fish into the preheated oven and broil for 7 to 10 minutes. The time you use will depend on your desired doneness. For video purpose, I broiled this one for 9 minutes. So let's finish the side dishes. We have about 9 minutes left. And I just need a couple of cups of spinach, some green onions and cilantro. Pour the dressing over and voila! That's how quickly and easy this can be done. As you can see, the cucumber started releasing juices. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sweet sauce and some sriracha. Adjust sauces to your liking. You can sprinkle in some green onions and cilantro for extra flavor. The salmon is ready, so let's put this dinner together. And look how amazingly it's cooked. It's lightly charred, just like I like it. and it's gonna be juicy still inside. This is like the best way, I believe, to cook salmon without using any extra oils or any extra stuff on it. I'm going to serve 100 grams of cooked rice. That's about 137 calories in my fitness pal. And it's a big size portion. A 150 grams of salmon. And look how amazing this looks. It's just perfectly cooked. I like it less cooked, to be honest, but hey. Cucumbers and spinach are extremely low in calories. The sauces are also very light, and this is how you get under 500 calories, filling and delicious dinner in under 20 minutes. You cannot beat that, and this is a restaurant quality meal. If you eat this well, you may be able to squeeze in a dessert here, and I have a few suggestions too. Here is a great list of low-calorie desserts you can pick from, and I will see you there.